Karen Cleary's house invaded by robbers while her mother and brother were inside, just days after her body was found.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Days after the body of 43-year-old Karen Cleary was discovered in a shallow grave at the house she was building in Boscobel, St. Mary, thieves raided the property. Cleary's brother, Donovan Reed, said that during a visit to the parish on Wednesday, December the 5th, that hoodlums broke into the house shortly after 2 a.m. while he and his mother held their breaths in a locked room. Reed described the ordeal as terrible, noting that his mother had been further crippled by fear as the family mourns Karen's death. Mom is ill. She has heart problems. She has nerve problems. They tried our door. You could hear them. They were moving about and moving out stuff, thinking no one was home. The men made their way into the house through a garage window and stole suitcases with clothes, barrels with food items, liquor and work tools, among other things. Reed said it was when his mother raised an alarm that the men fled in a waiting motor vehicle. The police were summoned and remained on the property throughout the night. No one was hurt during the housebreaking. If they had come into the room, we had nothing to protect ourselves. The fear I had was for them hurting Mom. It was a terrible experience. After all that has happened to this family, for them to come and do this, it is horrible. My mom right now is a wreck. She has not been able to walk since they found Karen. We had to take her to the doctor. So after they killed my sister, they still come back for more. They still come back to continue robbing us. His sister, whose body was discovered on Monday, December the 3rd, after she went missing on November 25th, was reportedly involved in a verbal altercation with the suspect, who was the caretaker at the house on the day she went missing. Reed said that the suspect, who has since been arrested by the police, was the one who took family members and the police to the shallow grave in the yard. Mom said that on Monday, November 26th, she was calling her and she was not getting her, and that was unlike Karen. They were like best friends. They spoke every day, so when she wasn't getting her, we decided to go to St. Mary. The suspect told us that her friends from foreign picked her up at about 9 p.m. on the Sunday, but we told him that could not be, because she told Mom when they spoke that day that she was not feeling well, so she was not going anywhere. Eventually, we went to the police station together. While at the police station, Reed said he relayed the conversation he had with the suspect, and after allegedly receiving several different stories from the suspect, he was arrested by the police. Karen, who is the 7th child for her mother, left Jamaica for London, England, when she was 18 years old. She had no children. Reed said that his sister visited the island every 6 months and did so in August to continue the supervision of the construction of the guest house she was building in Paradise Edge in Boscobel. There is nothing in place to protect returning residents. If we did not come here, police wouldn't have known. He was just telling them stories. He was driving her Benz and Prada up and down, Reed alleged, adding that items belonging to his sister was also found in the suspect's possession. My brother almost had a heart attack when he heard about our sister's death. Karen was so kind. She did not deserve this, he said.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them, right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.